let's try expressing a percentage as a common fraction. So what is 37.5 as a common fraction? So the nice thing about this is we need to get rid of the decimal, right? So we take the 37.5 and we write it over 100. Okay, that's because 100 is 100%. So we started with 37.5%. Well, then we would have to write the 37.5 over 100. There's only 100% available, so we write the 37.5 over it, right? So then, as you can see here, we dropped the percent sign here, right? Because we're trying to convert a percentage, right? We're trying to convert this percentage into a common fraction. So write the 37.5 over 100 and drop the percentage. Okay, and what we want to do then is we want to take this decimal, we want to get rid of it, right? We want to get rid of this decimal here. So what we do is we move it to the right, right? And by moving it to the right, we now get 375 over 1,000. So you may say, well, how do we know if we go to the right, we go to the left? So think about what we're doing here. Okay, we're taking a percentage. You can think about it, oh man, I got 37% on my assignment. It's 37% of 100, right? That's what you got, 37.5% of 100%. Well, if you want to know what the fractional equivalent, the common fraction equivalent here is, then get rid of the percent sign, write your 37.5 over 100. And now I got to get rid of the decimal because by moving the decimal this way, I just increase the number of decimal places. By moving it to the right, I get rid of my decimal. And that's what we did here, right? So we move the decimal to the right on the numerator, and there's a decimal here after a whole number, always is, right? So we move it to the right on the denominator, and we end up with 375 over 1,000. So that gives us in lowest terms, right? This is the common fraction. Okay, 375 over 1,000. But that would never be our answer. We always want to reduce to lowest terms. So 375 divided by 1,000 is going to be 3/8, right? Or 375 over 1,000 reduced is 3/8.